I would like for you both to just, if you could, put your heads together, because I know that you're both very, very intelligent attorneys, and explain to the public the difference between having a power of attorney that has, number one, a designated power of attorney with an alternate power of attorney versus a power of attorney that requires maybe 1, 2, or maybe even 3 signatures that could benefit the elderly person, or maybe just a person of 40 or 50 years old. And I will be quiet now. And
Denise, thank you so much. This is where Blake says, that's such a simple question. I'm going to just let Joel handle that.
I could talk about this, but Joel is the specialist.
Yeah, he's our guest tonight, so let's let him talk about it.
I appreciate that, guys.
That sounded complicated, is it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think I understand what she's getting at, and that is this power of attorney thing that we've been talking about. Basically, a power of attorney is simply a document that allows somebody to act as your agent, somebody to act on your behalf, instead of you having to do everything. It doesn't take anything away from you, so you're still able to transact business, you're still able to conduct your own affairs, but it allows somebody else to do that for you also. Typically, we think about that when somebody's a little bit older and needing help and maybe can't get around as well, or maybe has gotten to where they're not able to balance their checkbook as well, and so they need somebody to help them do those type of things. But again, like all things planning, we want to do that in advance. Here's, I think what she was getting at is you can designate a person, like I could designate in my power of attorney that I want Blake to be my power of attorney, okay? And in the event that Blake either passed away or he became incompetent, then I want Mike to become my power of attorney.
So I would be the
So you would be the alternate or
alternate.
successor power of attorney. You can also have it to where Blake and Mike were powers of attorney together. And there's even a further thing from there. I can make it to where Blake and Mike have to do everything together. You have to sign everything together. You have to go to the nursing home together. You have to do everything together. Yeah. Or I can make it to where either one of you independently can go and do. And there's pluses and minuses with everything. Having them do it together means that everybody's kind of in agreement. There's nobody doing something that the other one doesn't know what's going on. But it can be cumbersome. Vice versa, having them independent allows for more flexibility.
Very good.